Adidas Originals Terrace Icons series deserves credit for igniting the current football boot-inspired sneaker trend. While brands everywhere race to meet the rising demand for soccer, or football-themed lifestyle shoes, it's hard to beat the classic Samba silhouette, especially when it's tied to one of the sport's most legendary clubs. Continuing its collaboration with iconic football franchises, Adidas Originals teams up with Manchester United for a clean black and red rendition of the low-profile Samba. The upper combines smooth leather and soft suede in black, accented by bold red 3 stripes and heel tabs. Gold MUFC and Samba lettering add a luxe touch, while the club's signature red devil logo graces the right tone. It's a striking blend of sport heritage and terrace fashion, perfect for fans of both style and the game. Don't wait too long. Adidas US has already released this pair online for $110, and they're likely to go fast.